type of firewalls. How many types of firewall we have? So we have around 3 to 4. Number one, first generation firewall called a packet filtering. Maybe you're already aware of that. This is called access list, okay, which is called a stateless firewall. What is stateless? We'll discuss later on. So first generation firewall, packet filtering, stateless firewall. Then we have a second generation firewall, which is called stateful filtering. So difference between stateless and stateful is coming in the next slides. Third generation, which is nowadays Palo Alto, Fortinet and Checkpoint and all those, they are the next generation firewall, which are application layer aware firewalls. Okay, proxy, and also another fourth, maybe, and a fifth as well, act as an intermediary between these application layer. So they also look at the application layer data or in signature. So these are the three types of firewalls we have. Now these firewalls at a OSI layer.